Hi, my name is Jasmine Su. I'm contestant number 1, ATV Miss Asia Pageant Malaysia 2014. Tight-fitting dresses not only show off your every curve, but also little imperfections. I love how Elysyle's lingerie helps my body look more sexy. Now I can say goodbye to my extra body fat and wear body-hugging dresses with 100% confidence. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Elysyle. I'm contestant number 2 for ATV Miss Asia Malaysia 2014. I'm from Taiping, Perak. Previously, I've never been confident about wearing low-cut dresses, but I find them incredibly gorgeous. After trying on Elysyle lingerie, I'm surprised that my curves were enhanced to such an extent. My waist is smaller and my bust is fuller. Low-cut necklines is no longer impossible because I'm ready to flaunt my newfound figure.
Hi, my name is Mabel Chan. I'm contestant number 3, Miss Asia Pageant Malaysia 2014. Being a typical Asian, my body is more slender than curvy. Elysyle lingerie has helped me accentuate my figure, giving me curves in places I didn't know I had. Plus, the material is really comfortable, so wearing it for extended hours is no problem at all. Now, there's hope for me to achieve my dream figure.
Hi, I'm Jacinda Webb, contestant number 4, ATV Miss Asia Pageant Malaysia 2014. What I love about Elysyle lingerie is the second skin fit, as it fits me perfectly without being very uncomfortable. I don't have to worry about other people noticing my little imperfections, as it gives my curves more definition than ever. I give it a double thumbs up.
Hi, I'm Daphne Chen, contestant number 5, ATV Miss Asia Pageant 2014. Elysyle lingerie feels like it was made for me. It takes the meaning of inner beauty to a whole new level. I can wear it comfortably for long hours without worrying about discomfort. I feel so much more confident about my body now.
Hi, my name is Leandra, contestant number 6, ATV Miss Asia Pageant Malaysia 2014. I've always dreamed of achieving the perfect hourglass figure. I do have a small waist, but my hips are slightly wider. Elysyle lingerie has helped me reduce my hip size while enhancing my bust line. Best of all, I love how the material fits on my body like a second skin. I feel great both mentally and physically because I know I can have a fabulous body too.
Hi, I'm Joey Chong. I'm contestant number 7, ATV Miss Asia Pageant Malaysia 2014. I'm naturally tall and skinny, so it's a big challenge for me to look good in certain outfit. I want to shine on the stage and stun the crowd with perfect figure. I'm confident that Elysyle laundry will help me to achieve my goal. I like how the laundry helps to lift, firm, and tone problem areas so that I look curvious from top to toe.
Hi, my name is Beatrice. I'm contestant number 8, ATV Miss Asia Pageant Malaysia 2014. People always comment that I'm too skinny, and that makes me less confident about myself. Elysyle laundry helps me to enhance my figure, and now I look better wearing body-hugging clothes. Now I have curves. It was so comfortable, truly pleasant surprise. Elysyle laundry is a well-needed boost of confidence.
Hi, I'm Justina Aoyong, contestant number 9, ATV Miss Asia Pageant Malaysia 2014. Every girl has days when they don't feel confident about themselves. Even as a pageant contestant, I experience the same lack of confidence as other women too. I love how Elysyle lingerie has helped to adjust and tone up my body shape. Now my curves look firmer and more lifted instantly. I feel great and I'm ready to take on the world.
Hi, I'm Geeta. I'm contestant number 10, ATV Miss Asia Pageant 2014. Having a good body isn't enough. You need to enhance your curve so that your body shape looks amazing from every angle. With Elysyle lingerie, I have noticed a huge difference as my curve look more enhanced. My problem areas firmer and more toned. It's very comfortable and I love the feminine design. Thank you, Elysyle, for bringing out the best in me.
Hi, I'm Elysyle, contestant number 11 at TV Miss Asia Pageant Malaysia 2014. I never had confidence to put on bikini and walk on stage because I am insecure about my body. After I wearing Elysyle lingerie, I confident that I can achieve my dream body so that I can walk on stage to show off my beautiful curve. The lingerie is beautiful, functional, and work wonder for me.
Hi, I'm Elysyle, contestant number 12, ATV Miss Asia Pageant Malaysia 2014. I'm not as slim or slender as other finalists, so it's natural to worry about my figure. However, Elysyle lingerie highlights my curves while keeping my imperfections hidden. I'm going to shine bright on stage because now that I've got Elysyle lingerie to help me rediscover my dream figure.